Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can improve the life battery of our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And the steps are so very simple, so all you need to do is just follow the process that I'm going to show you, and please make sure that you finish watching this video. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings option, and we can do that by simply making a click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings, or you can also search settings in the search tab below. So in here, once we're in the settings window, please go to the system options, and you will see here under system we have the display, sound, notifications, focus, battery and power and battery, storage. So in here under system option, we will go to the power and battery options, where we can change the options for the screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and the energy saver. So just make a click on that, and we will be going to the power and battery options. So we will see here the battery, which is 88%, and we can see that the estimated time remaining for the 88% of battery is 4 hours and 57 minutes. So in here we have the energy recommendations, power mode, screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts, energy saver, and the battery usage, as well as the lead, power and sleep button control. So let's go with the power mode options, where we can optimize the device based on the power use and performance. So in here, all we need to do in the plugin is to make sure that the options that is selected is the balanced one, or we can also use or choose the best power efficiency. And to choose for the options, you can just click on this drop down button here and just click on the options that you want for your for this certain option that is plugged in. So for me, I'll just leave it be. I'll just leave with, or just stay with balance. And for the on battery, you can also do select for the options that you want just by clicking the drop down button and just click on the balanced options or the best power efficiency. So I'll just leave on the best power efficiency. And now let's move on with the next step, which is to go to the energy saver options, wherein we can reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities. So let's click on this drop down button here, and in here we can turn on for the always use energy saver. We can turn on that button, and for the turn energy saver on automatically when battery level is at, we can choose for the battery level that we can turn on the energy saver. For example, when our device gets into 30% or 40%, then we can, at 40%, when it reaches the battery at 40%, then the energy saver will be automatically be on. Okay, so you can change or you can choose for the options just by clicking again this drop down button here. For example, I'll set this to 30%. And you can also turn on or off for the lower screen brightness when using energy saver. So when, for example, the energy saver is turned on, the brightness of your screen will now be lowered. Okay, and once you do these options, you will see that there will be a drastic change in the battery consumption of your device. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope you learned something from this video and you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.